Quranic Arabic Corpus by Ismail Taladia and Abdullah Al-Azwari. What is the Quran?
The Quran is a significant religious text written in Quranic Arabic and is followed by believers of Islamic faith. It was revealed from 610 AD in the duration of 23 years from Allah to Prophet Muhammad through Angel Gabriel. The Quran contains 6,236 numbered verses and is divided into 114 chapters.
A corpus can be defined as a file or set of files consisting of a collection of words which occur in natural, written or spoken language along with features of these words. Those files should be both computer and human readable to enable linguistic researchers to store them in computers, then process them and get observations out of them.
The Quranic Arabic corpus is an annotated linguistic resource consisting of 77,430 words of Quranic Arabic. It's created by Casey Dukes, a PhD student at the University of Leeds, as part of a PhD research project into Arabic language computing. The project aims to provide morphological and syntactic annotation for researchers wanting to study the language of the Quran.
The Quranic Arabic corpus consists of three main sections.
The morphological annotation section gives a word-by-word breakdown of all the words in the Quran. Any verse from any chapter of the Quran can be selected and breakdown of the grammar, syntax, and morphology is given for each word along with the translation. Corpus annotation assigns a part of speech tag and morphological features to each word. For example, annotation involves deciding whether a word is a noun or a verb, and if it is inflected for masculine or feminine. For this to be done, it involved automatic part-of-speech tagging by applying natural language computing technology to the text.
If you click on the Arabic word, more detail is given about the word's grammar.
The syntactic tree bank maps out the entire grammar of the Quran by linking Arabic words through dependencies. The linguistic structure of verses is represented using mathematical graph theory. The annotated corpus provides a visualization of Quranic syntax using dependency graphs.
The Quranic ontology uses knowledge representation to define the key concepts in the Quran and shows the relationship between these concepts using predicate logic. Named entities in verses, such as the names of historic people and places mentioned in the Quran, are linked to concepts in the ontology as part of named entity tagging. As well as listing the major concepts in the Quran, the ontology also defines a set of semantic relations between these concepts. The most important relation is the set membership relation instance, in which one concept is defined to be an instance or individual member of another group. Other concepts in the ontology are grouped into logical categories according to the properties that they share. For example, the sun, earth and moon are classified under astronomical body. This diagram shows a visual representation of the Quranic ontology. The graph is a network of 300 linked concepts with 350 relations. Each node in the graph represents a unique concept in the Quran.
In conclusion, the Quranic Arabic Corpus project aims to provide a richly annotated linguistic resource for researchers wanting to study the language of the Quran. The grammatical analysis will help readers further in uncovering the detailed intended meaning of each verse and sentence. Each word and verse of the Quran is tagged with its part of speech as well as multiple morphological features.
Although there are other online resources that explain the Quran, few are machine readable or go into detailed grammatical analysis for each word in context. Having linguistic information in a format that both humans and computers can understand leads to many useful applications. By applying Arabic computing language technology to the Quran, it is possible to achieve rapid morphological and syntactic analysis that would otherwise take far longer manually.
The website is widely used around the world on a daily basis. It is used by over 2,500 people from 165 different countries every single day. This map shows worldwide interest in the Quranic Arabic corpus provided by Google Analytics. Countries with the highest number of users are shaded in darker green.
Thank you for listening.